Okay, this is the setup for T500 plus smartwatch. Okay, first ensure that the watch is charged correctly. Okay, it should be fully charged. Since it's a new watch, you need to charge it at least for 2 to 3 hours initially, because it's a new watch. Okay, you have the connectors here. Okay, the charging cable comes with the within the box, so you just connect that and charge it. Make sure that you use some original charger, okay, for charging, because if you use some normal charger, it may not charge properly. So ensure that you're using some good and original charger for charging it. Okay, you can see that the watch is fully charged. Okay, here you can see that you can change the faces of the watch. Okay, whichever face you like. The watch faces, you have multiple watch faces here. Okay, and you can also set custom watch faces, which I'll show you through the app. Okay, and if you just swipe up or swipe down, you will see this display over here. This display can also be changed to this way. You will have the honeycomb display over here. Okay, and you can change it to grid style also. Okay, so you have the options over here. Okay, so now first thing, how to connect the watch to the mobile application. Okay, so on your mobile, ensure that you have to install this application, HRY Fine. Okay, so we'll just install it. Okay, now it's already installed, so we'll open it. Okay, one important thing is that you need to allow and agree on everything. Okay, because suppose if you don't allow or don't agree, then you will not get the correct notifications on the watch. All right, so click on agree, allow, 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 allow. Okay, we will log in directly. So what this will do is that it will automatically create a username and password for you. So log in directly. So this has given a username and password. So it's better recommended to save a screenshot. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a screenshot. I click OK. Okay, fine. You can set your own name and your settings over here. Click OK. I'm just going to set a name over here. Click on OK. Okay, sometimes some phones would, like Huawei, you have to add them into your special list of apps. Okay, so just follow these guidelines over here. And sometimes what happens is that in some phones it may get disconnected, so you have to add it into the settings. So just follow these settings over here and it should be fine. Okay, so what we'll do is that please enable notification. This is very important. So go to set HRY Fine. You have to give it the notification access, allow. So we'll go back. Okay, and we'll, in the corner over here, you will see the watch, there's a cross sign here, so we'll click over here. So we'll click on that. So you need to allow this thing, location access. So allow, go to set, give it location access, come back. So now it's searching for the device. Okay, click on search. You can see that T5S. You can see that it has actually found two watches, because we have two watches over here right now. So how do you know which is your watch? In this case, you can go to your information here, and you can see your MAC address over here. So here it is C3 ending with 012F. So here you can see that this is ending with that. So this is the watch that I want to pair. Click on that. Then you will get a notification here, bind phone. Click on OK, and you can see that it's already connected. Please turn on application self launch. Yes, view. So these are some settings that you need to do on your phone. You can follow them. Okay, so you can see the watch is now connected. Okay, so you can go to your watch settings. You can see your watch is connected, and you can control many settings from here. So now you can also see that the watch, so you get all the correct date and time over here in your watch. Okay, fine. So now what you need to do, one more setting to connect the Bluetooth. Okay, go into your Bluetooth settings. Okay, and you can see your device HRY 3.0. Click on the information. Okay, if you want the watch to use your phone audio and the media audio, so just enable that. Okay, fine. Okay, now coming back to the settings, so we have the device settings over here. You have many multiple options to control your watch from here. You can click on message reminder. Okay, so you have all of these reminders over here. Fine, this is to enable notifications. So we have WhatsApp notifications, Facebook, all of these notifications over here. Okay, so make sure that everything is enabled. Fine. Okay, fine. Your alarm reminder over here, your sleep monitoring, do not disturb mode, vibrating. You can change the language of your watch from here. Click on English, and then if you want to change it to Arabic or any other language, you can change it. Okay, you can change like which hand you're wearing the watch from, on the left or the right hand. Synchronize system time if you're not getting the time correctly on this one. Okay, and raise your hand to brighten the screen. For example, if you are wearing the watch, okay, and if you raise your hand and you want the watch or the light to come on or the watch to come on, you can click this and click whether to open. Yes. Okay, fine. Now some of the other settings that are there, your dial settings. Okay, the dial settings are this, the watch face basically. Which watch face do you want? Okay, so there are already some watch faces that are there. Okay, if you want to add some other watch faces into it, you can manually set the watch faces from here. These are the preset watch faces available in the watch. Okay, but if you want to set your own watch face or your own picture or some other picture that you want, then click on this DIY dial. Okay, you can customize this over here. You can customize the picture or the color of the text over here through these settings over here, or you can select your own picture. Okay, select picture, and you can select from your gallery whatever picture you want. Okay, first say for example, so from the gallery, say for example I want to set any picture, like for example I want to set this picture. Okay, so I'll select it. Okay, completed, done. Okay, so I can also adjust where I want to keep this particular where I want to place the time and the date. Okay, you can set that. Click OK. Okay, you can click save and use. Okay, so you can see that it is actually transferring it to your watch right now. Okay, so just wait, do not, make sure that this has full charge, and while you're transferring, don't either switch off your phone or switch off the watch. Just wait, because there may be other problems later on. So you can see that now you get the custom picture on your watch. Okay, so this is how you set your custom picture. Fine, now we go back to the settings. Okay, these are some of the other, and if you want to add contacts into your okay, you have your phone book here. If you want to add contacts over here, so what you can do is that you can click phone book, click add. Okay, and then you can either input or type it manually, or you can choose from your address or your contacts from your phone, and it will actually come up over there. Okay, so you can see that we have actually added a test contact over here. Okay, so we go to your contacts over here. Okay, what you can do is that you can actually add contacts onto your watch over here. Okay, click on phone book, click on add. You can input manually the contact, or you can choose it from the address or the contacts that you have on your phone. So we'll just try to input some number. Okay, say a test number, test. Okay, so it will be just say some number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, click OK and click on OK. is synchronizing the contacts. Please wait. You can see that. Okay, now if you go to your contacts, sorry, you can see that the test is contact is now available over here. Okay, so that's how you add contacts. So now since every notifications and Bluetooth is connected, you can actually make and receive calls, and you will also receive notifications. Now let me send a WhatsApp notification, a WhatsApp message to the watch. You'll see it receives the notifications. Okay. Now let me send another message. You'll see that it receives the notifications. Okay. Similarly, you will receive notifications for other apps also, whichever it supports. Okay. So how do you check the notifications? You go to the WhatsApp and then you can see all the notifications that are there over here. Okay. Just click and you can see the notification. All the notifications are here. Now when you want to make the call, okay, how to make the call from the watch? Okay, you can go to the contacts, or you can directly make the call from the watch itself. Dial number. Okay, so it will dial it to your contacts. You can see it is actually dialing it from your phone. Okay. And from here you can go, if you want to dial a number manually, you can dial it actually from here. Okay. You can see that it's actually your phone is dialing the number right now.